How to get a banner on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. And also this video is valid for both Android users and iOS users. So now let's head to the video. First you open the Pinterest app. Once you open the Pinterest app, you have to click on your profile icon and you have to make sure you have a business account. If it's not a business account, you have to click on the top three dots and click on settings and then click on account management, and you have to click on convert to from personal to business, and then you have to follow those steps. Once those steps are followed, your account is become a business account. So now we have to head to the step. Once you open your profile, you have to click on the top three lines, and here you'll find an option of add cover image. Once you finish all those steps of making it into a business account, automatically once you click on the three dots, here you'll find an option of add cover picture. So once you click on add cover images, you can choose whichever image you want it to be as your banner image on Pinterest. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.